out of the head, seeing the lips swell up and at times crack. The discoloration in the skin, he spoke as if he was in some sort of ecstasy or rapture. I told him that he was hurting people. I told him that I would be going to the authorities. He laughed in my face and told me that no one would ever believe someone like me. I contacted a private investigator. I told him that a man was up in Hamilton County strangling people.